Welcome guys, today we will start GFG PODT problem of the day. So the problem statement is print pattern. It's come in Microsoft and its tag is easy. So let's try to solve the problem. Okay, the problem statement is saying print a sequence of number starting with n without using a loop. Okay, where replace n with n minus 5 until n greater than 0. After that replace n with n plus 5 until n regains its initial value. Okay, so it's basically a simple problem. So what should we have to do? We have to use recursive instead of for loop. So let's understand how should we perform the operation. So at first let me take a static array list because I don't want to pass array list in every time. So if I hit static, then I can call it from any static function in Java. So let me take the list of integer first. Okay, name it at al array list. Okay, let me initialize the array list with new array list. Okay, so let's write a function where we have to decrease the value and we will add the value in the array list. So how can we do this? So first write a function, static function, which returns a value. I will explain later on why I use integer return type for this function. Let's name as the function as f. Okay, it's accept a value. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do if n means this value satisfy this condition, so then we have to return with n, because let me explain all the things. At first I have to write the things. I have to add the n into the array list and I have to return calling the function if now value with minus 5 as per the statement. So what it is doing, it's check if n is less than or equal to 0. If its condition satisfied, then it's return with value of n, the current n value, what is it, and if it's not, then it's adding the value and calling the function recursively. It's every time deduct 5 from the n and keep adding until this condition is satisfied. Okay, so receive the value what this function is giving, because we have to also increase the value of n. Okay, so pass the value of n, and what should I have to do next? We have to increase. Okay, so static, this doesn't, I don't need any n value for next problem because it's the last thing what we have to do. So name it as f1 and its accept value obviously n, and the condition is if n is greater than the value, what's the initial value, so I have to store the initial value as well as, so I take a static variable here also, name as in val, means initial value. So initialize the value in val with the n and use the in val over there. It's simply return, otherwise it add the value of n and it's increase. So we call the function again and it increase the value. Okay, and we have to call the function with respective of value of what this function is returning. So we have take the value, So we call the function once again. The function is f1 right now, and it's go with val, and we have to just simply return the list we have built. Okay, I didn't pass any data type over there, that's why it's showing us error. Okay, so it's getting successful compiled. Let's try to submit the problem. Yeah, we can see our problem is submitting successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any query regarding this recursion call or anything, you can comment me in the below. Thank you for watching. Thank you.